What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick different Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything. We combine it all together to create new interesting color combinations that you guys might want to use for a future project. And then you guys get to rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. Let me know if you love it, you hate it. We're trying to put together more expensive looking paint jobs for a cheaper budget, because we're all about trying to save money on this channel and just having fun creating new colors. I got a test fender prepped up behind me today, and the Rustoleum color I've chosen is Oil Rub Bronze. It's been a very, very interesting color with candies over top of it, and that's what we're doing today. I've got a red candy and a blue candy, so we're going to combine them together to make a purple candy and shoot it over top of this Oil Rub Bronze. See if we can't create a really, really cool, rich candy purple. And that's the spray out. So let's get this thing prepped up and ready. Let's shoot some Oil Rub Bronze on it with the Rustoleum, and then we'll jump into some candy from Limelight Candy Concentrates. Alright guys, so we got our Oil Rub Bronze Rustoleum laid down, a really cool color to do candies over top of. And now I got Limelight Candy Concentrate, red and blue, we're going to make purple. And we're going to be doing this Poor Man style today. I know a lot of people were probably wondering why we're not using a mid coat or an intercoat clear or a binder or something like that. It's because I'm trying to simplify this, break it down, make it a little bit cheaper with a little bit less things involved to buy, and just to have some fun with it. So we're doing it in Finish 1 clear today. It's a 4-to-1 clear, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. I'm going to do about 6 ounces total in the mix just to give myself enough to coat this fender behind me. We're just doing a test fender, so divide accordingly. And now I'm going to bring you guys in close and let's mix up some candy. Alright guys, so I got blue and red candy here today. If you're curious what it looks like individually, there's red candy and here's blue candy. So red and blue candy. As far as the mix ratios and everything goes today, it has it on the back of the container. See, purple candy right there is 15% of each, so half and half. So that's what we're going to do. And as usual, I'm just going to drizzle some into these mixes. We don't need a lot, so I'm just going to do that right there. And I'll probably do a little bit more red than blue just because that kind of tends to give me a little bit lighter purple. And I think that'll be a little more beneficial of everything. So, all right, let's put that in there. And I'm going to do one more red just for good measure. That way we have plenty of candy additive. And then I'll get to stirring it and we'll see what we get. So as I'm getting to stirring it, we should start to see some purple. And if you look at the side of that container when I flip it up, we definitely got a really cool, deep, rich purple. And that's kind of what I'm going for, guys. I want it to be dark, but I don't want it to be too dark because I still want it to be purple. I don't want it to be just like a black. So that's going to be good to go. Now, let's load up the paint gun and let's get to shoot some candy purple. Alright guys, so I got my candy purple mix loaded up here in my Finish 1 clear. This is an HVLP gun. I'm shooting at 28 psi water per trigger if you're interested. The key to doing candies is consistent coats, so that's what I'm going to do. About 2 or 3 consistent coats, I'm hoping it'll be the sweet spot. And then the fun part, we'll take out in the sun and we'll see what we got. We'll put my mask on, let's get the spraying. guys, so this was an interesting one today. A purple candy over top of oil rub bronze. Now this, man, this black cherry like crazy, and there's a lot of plum to it too. It's a very interesting color. Look at that metallic. You can see it showing through that candy, and that's what you always want with a candy paint job. So it's a very interesting color today nonetheless. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A very plum crazy purple spray out. I mean, this thing looks like an actual plum. When the light hits it though, it's a totally different story. You get a lot of black cherry look to it. Like I said, I did use a little more red in my purple than I did blue. So you got a little bit more of that deep wine color, like a dark wine. Very, very interesting. It's always interesting when you use the oil rub bronze Rustoleum as your base color, because you get the metallics, but you also get the darkness of like a black or whatever. So very interesting spray out to me today, but hey, it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with this stuff, I'll have all the stuff down in the description. The candies, the clear coats, the mask, the paint gun, all that stuff is in my Amazon store. As seen on YouTube, just click that link below and you can find everything there. We do get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. Definitely leave me a quick like and comment today. Let me know what you thought of this spray out. You know, what colors have we not done on this channel? Go back down the rabbit hole, guys. I know some of you guys have commented some colors in the past, and I'll send you the video links so you can do that too. But you know, I'm just doing as many as I can to try to help you guys out with future projects, so you'll know what color combinations, what pearls, candies, flakes you can all mix together over different colors to create different effects. And that's kind of what my channel is all about, just learning and having fun painting. If you made it this far in the video and you like these spray outs, the paint jobs, the tutorials, a little bit of everything I do on this channel, definitely take a second, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops, because we're all the time doing crazy new spray outs like this. You just never know what you'll see next on Whitley AutoWorks. And just all in all, guys, I feel very blessed to have each and every one of you watching. We are growing more and more each day. And, you know, please just hit that subscribe, ring that bell notification, like and comment, interact with this video, and that'll help the algorithm push it out so I can continue to do crazy stuff like that. And I much appreciate each and every one of you for it. So, all right, guys. Well, I think that's going to be it for me today. I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley AutoWorks. Hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.